How to use your heating controls or smart thermostat. To adjust the temperature, locate your main thermostat. Simply use the up and down buttons, or dial, to select your desired temperature. Then wait 10 to 20 minutes for changes to take effect. Please note, heat pumps work best when maintaining steady, continuous temperatures. It is recommended to set the temperature to your desired level and leave it there, often referred to as set and forget. The system may need to be switched off during electrical work or maintenance. To switch the heating on or off, press the heating mode button on the controller and select the heating on or off option as required. Please remember, avoid frequent switching on and off with normal use, as heat pumps operate more efficiently when running steadily. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about heat pumps or other renewable energy solutions, please get in touch with Fairway Energy. For the Warm Homes Local Grant, call 0151 294 2995. For Eco4 and other grant schemes, call 0151 559 1563.